Hi, this is Brooke. There's a lot of exciting things going on with Revelation Design, and I just wanted to keep all of our customers informed and up to date. There's more news coming after this episode, but at least for now, I'm going to update you on the most recent activities. We have gone virtual, which is exciting for us because it allows us to not be confined to the showroom so that we can actually travel to your home on location to give you customized service. Something like landscape design, which we do already, container gardening, which we have done a lot of times for a lot of our customers, but also to get into your homes to actually show you some of our ideas and some of our product that we can bring out to you and show you the artificial flowers, the artificial plants, and a lot of fun home decor. Actually, all of that is going to be available to you on our website as well. You'll see dimensions and you'll see price points. So if you would like to come and see something in person, it's going to be by appointment only. So please give us a call at 904-261-5546. And we are here Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, making fresh flower deliveries, as well as Saturday, 10 to 3. So please give us a call if you'd like to visit our showroom or set up an appointment that we can come out and help you with your next project.